Okay, in this lesson, I want to talk about how to create a perfect selection for your image inside of Photoshop. We can do that by using the regular lasso tools, polygonal lasso tools, to create create a perfect selection for ourselves, but it's very time consuming and we don't have more flexibility to create curviness and create a kind of a smooth selection around our objects. Imagine if I select this area and you see that I can select that, but the edges of this polygonal lasso tools is very crisp and we don't have any bezier tools and we don't have any curviness to our selection. How can we do that? Okay, let's Control D that to deselect all of that areas, and I want to use this pen tools, and let's select pen tools and change this to the pad, and now let's drag this to this area, and if I drag this point, you see that I have a curve bezier handlers that can just change the value of smoothness and curviness to my selection. And if I zoom in, create a kind of a smoothness in here, and you see that it's very perfect, very nice, and very good. I just click all of the area that I want to select like this, and also maybe this things, and close your selection. Once you close that, now you have your pad, and for changing this pad to the selection, right click in here and here click on make selection. Once you change this to the make selection, in here you have your featherness radius, how much fadeness edges you want. For example, if I change this to maybe 8, my selection edges are very smooth and very good. If I click OK, you see that I have my selection in here, and I can copy that, pasting that, or maybe I can save this selection, save for example test, and click OK. And if I deselect, Control D that, I can just go to select, load selection, and in here I choose test, click OK, and you see that I have my selection that I've created using these pen tools. Okay. Pen tools are very powerful tools for creating shapes inside of Photoshop, but you can use pen tool for creating a perfect selection for your image also in Photoshop.